Hello students, welcome to our online platform. Myself Engineer PP sir, your physics mentor. Students, in our previous lecture we discussed about a different type of forces and pattern of question based on them. So in the continuity today also we are going to discuss pattern of different questions which were previously asked in your competitive section. So let us discuss different pattern of question. Let us say an object of mass m is placed on this plane. This is a plane this way. Here a pulley is fixed and this is a string. Let us say this is mass m1 and this is mass m2. Acceleration is in downward direction. Acceleration is in downward direction. So see, we are going to discuss different pattern of questions. So initially I am explaining pattern of questions without friction. Then we will discuss questions with the friction. So here there is no friction. This is simply accelerating in downward direction. So we have to calculate tension in the string and acceleration of the system. So see, first of all, draw FBD of M1 and M2. FBD of M1 is, see, its motion is in X direction. So in X direction, how many forces are there? Identify all the forces. So there is only one force, and which is tension away from this. So let us say this is tension T. If this object is accelerating in downward direction, then it is also accelerating in the direction of M2. So this is the direction of acceleration. So force due to acceleration is balanced by tension. So here summation Fx is equal to 0. In balancing condition, what we are going to use? Summation Fx is equal to 0. It means T minus M1A is equal to 0, or you can say T is equal to M1A. T is equal to M1A. Similarly, for M2, this is a block of mass M2. Now see, here force is in y direction, so its weight M2g is downwards and tension T is upwards. Net acceleration is in downward direction. So net acceleration is in downward direction. It means force M2g is greater than tension. So here M2g minus T is equal to M2A. It means force due to acceleration is resultant of M2G and T. So these are two equations. From here we can calculate net acceleration of the system and tension in string. So if we calculate net acceleration, then add these two equations. So tension will be removed. So here it is mg minus m1a is equal to m2a m2g. So you can say that m2g is equal to m1 plus m2 into a, or you can say that net acceleration is m2 upon m1 plus m2 into g. So this is the net acceleration. Similarly, if we have to calculate tension, then what is the value of tension? Place value of acceleration in this equation. So tension is m1 m2 upon m1 plus m2 into g. So this is the value of tension. Now next pattern is, see, I'm going to explain few key concepts which you have to remember for your competitive section. Let us say here different objects are connected with different strings. Let us say this is M1, M2 and M3. So see, here there is no acceleration. Simply all these three objects are connected by three strings, 1, 2 and 3. So here are three strings, 1, 2 and 3. Three strings are here. So we have to calculate net tension. So keep in mind simply that consider this complete as a system. then let us say that net tension is T and which is in upward direction and it is balanced by its weight. So weight of this whole system is in downward direction and net weight is total mass multiplied by G. So it is M1 plus M2 plus M3 into G. So net tension T is equal to M1 plus M2 plus M3 into G. So this is directly a pattern of concept which you have to remember to solve your questions. Now individually, let us talk about M1, M2 and M3 individually. So if we draw FBD of M1, then see, let us say it is connected in upward direction by this string. So it is connected by two strings, one this one and another one is this. So in upward direction, let us say its tension is T1. In downward direction, let us say it is connected by its second string. So let us say tension is T2. So here it is T2. Similarly, FBD of M2. So this is FBD of M2. M2 is connected by string 2 and string 3. So tension in upward direction is T2 and tension is downward direction is T3. Similarly for M3, this is M3. So M3 is connected by string 3, simply by string 3. So there is single tension which is in upward direction T3 and its weight is in downward direction M3G. So see, its weight M3G, its weight M2G, weight is always downwards and this is M1G. If we combine them together, then you can clearly see that this T2 is downwards. If we connect it, then this T2 is upward, T2 minus T2 cancel out. If we connect this block of mass M3 with this block of mass M2, then here T3 downwards and here T3 upwards. So T3 minus T3 0. It means net tension is T1. So see, this relation will be equal to this relation. So from here, see, in balancing condition, T1 force is in upward direction and downward direction में M1G and M2. So summation Fy is equal to 0. Balancing condition में क्या condition use करोगे बच्चों? Summation Fy is equal to 0. So for first block, T1 is equal to T2 plus M1G. For second block, T2 is in upward. So T2 is equal to M2G plus T3, and for third block T3 is equal to M3G. So see, you can remove T1, T2, T3, T2, T3 respectively, place value of T3 here. So it is T2 is equal to M2G plus M3G. तो इसका मतलब क्या हो गया कि इस वाले ब्लॉक पे नेट टेंशन कितनी हो गई? अब ये दोनों मिलके एक सिस्टम हो जाएंगे, तो क्या हो गया? टेंशन अपवर्ड्स और M2 प्लस M3 इंटू जी, ये डाउनवर्ड्स. सिमिलरली अब ये T2 की वैल्यू हमने कैलकुलेट कर ली और ये T2 की वैल्यू अगर हम प्लेस कर दें यहां पर तो हमें मिल जाएगी नेट टेंशन T1 ऊपर वाले ऑब्जेक्ट में. तो ये क्या हो गया? M1G प्लस M2G प्लस M3G. तो सिंपली ये रिलेशन आपको डायरेक्टली ध्यान रखना है. देखो, दिस इज इक्वल टू दिस नेट टेंशन. सिमिलरली ऐसा ही एक और पैटर्न, सॉरी, अगर यही आपका पैटर्न होता हॉरिजॉन्टली, चाहे तो इस तरीके से बोल दें. इस पैटर्न का क्वेश्चन मैंने प्रीवियस लेक्चर में डिस्कस किया था. दीज डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर अटैच्ड, लेट अस से M1, M2, M3, M4. These four objects of different masses are attached to each other, and if net force is applied here F and net acceleration is A, then in this whole system F is equal to M equivalent into A, and M equivalent M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus M4. So A is equal to हो गया F upon M equivalent, means M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus M4. नो नीड टू गो फॉर FBD, सिंपली यूज दिस रिलेशन. ये आप यूज कर सकते हो. सो अगर ये एक दूसरे के साथ कांटेक्ट में हो तो भी आप ये रिलेशन यूज करोगे. और सेकंड पैटर्न क्या हो गया? if all these objects are connected by different strings like this way, and now this force F is applied, then in this condition also, you will use the same relation. So net relation of acceleration is same, this one, A is equal to F upon M equivalent. So this is direct concept which we have to remember to solve the questions. Next, let us talk about some pattern of question based on your inclined plane. So let us say we are given this inclined plane. This is angle theta. An object of mass m is placed here. So let us say I am talking about single inclination. Single inclination. This way. It is single inclination. This block of mass m is placed here, and I'm going to explain three conditions here. One is when this block is at rest, when second one when it accelerates upwards, and when it accelerates downwards. So we are going to discuss three conditions. First one is when block is at rest. Block is at rest. So in this condition, see, there is only single object. So first of all, draw all the forces acting on this object M. So first mg, its weight downward direction, normal force perpendicular to its surface. Now see, we have to make its components. So this is horizontal, this is vertical, there is no acceleration. So if this angle is theta, then this angle is also theta. हॉरिजॉन्टल के साथ में बच्चों यहाँ पर जो एंगल बनेगा वो वाला भी क्या होगा, थीटा. देखो z के शेप में हो गए. So this angle is also theta. So if this angle is theta, then we can say this normal force is balanced in this direction. So see, here if this angle is theta, then this is 90 minus theta, and this becomes equal to theta. So keep in mind always that mg and its component which is in opposite direction of normal is having angle theta. So this component becomes mg cos theta. So this is mg cos theta, and another one which is parallel to plane or parallel to this inclination is mg sin theta. This is mg sin theta. So see, now in this condition we will discuss concept of friction. Concept of friction, it means this object is at rest. It means there is a force of friction in backward direction which is holding this object at rest. So now in balancing condition, this normal force is balanced by mg cos theta, and here it is at rest. It means there is no acceleration. So mg sin theta in downward direction is equal to frictional force. So Fs is equal to mg sin theta. Fs is equal to mg sin theta. So you may be asked angle in terms of you have to calculate angle in terms of coefficient of friction. So which can be calculated from here. Divide this into this. So tan theta is equal to Fs upon n, and Fs is equal to mu s n. We discussed this in circular motion with friction. So n is cancelled out. So theta is equal to tan inverse mu s. This is one relation which you have to remember. Second thing, you may be asked value of this frictional force. So see, Fs is equal to mu s n. Fs is equal to mu s n, and n is equal to mg cos theta. So it is mu s mg cos theta. Mu s mg cos theta. So simply you have to remember these two equations and you can calculate either frictional force or angle of inclination. Second pattern, when block accelerates downwards. When block accelerates downwards. So in this also I am going to explain two sub cases. One is with friction and another one without friction. So let us talk about with friction. First case with friction. So now see, this is the inclination. This is the object of mass m. This is mg in downward direction. This is angle theta. This is its normal force. This is mg cos theta. We are considering that object is accelerating in downward direction. So this is the direction of acceleration. So this component is mg sin theta. Mg sin theta. Now see, with friction means frictional force in opposite direction Fs. So in this condition, mg sin theta is greater than this frictional force. So this block will move in downward direction. So first thing is n is equal to mg cos theta. And second thing is Fs. See, Fs is smaller than mg sin theta. So mg sin theta minus Fs is equal to ma. Resultant of Fs and mg sin theta will give force due to acceleration. So place value of n here, mg sin theta minus Fs is equal to mu s mg cos theta is equal to ma. So if we have to calculate value of a, then see, m can be cancel out in both sides. So a is equal to g sin theta minus mu s g cos theta. So this is the value of acceleration, or you can calculate force due to acceleration. So this is the concept with friction. And if we talk about without friction, then see, without friction here, this is the concept. Let us say this is the block of mass m. Here let us say that a force is applied in upward direction. A force F is applied in upward direction. So same concept again, this is n, this is mg, this is mg cos theta, this is angle theta, and here this is mg sin theta. We are considering that block is accelerating in downward direction. So same concept again, n is equal to mg cos theta and mg sin theta minus capital F is equal to ma. So from here you can calculate value of a. See, इसी में एक और चीज अगर मैं बोल दूं कि भैया आपका इंक्लाइंड प्लेन था और अब की बार जो फोर्स है वो डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में लग रहा है, कैपिटल एफ भी इधर लग रहा है, तो देखो बच्चों अब की बार क्या हो गया, दिस इज एन, दिस इज एम जी कोस थीटा and there is no force in upward direction, and this is mg sin theta, and net acceleration is this. So it means now it will accelerate due to sum of net force F and mg sin theta. So n is equal to mg cos theta and ma is equal to F plus mg sin theta. So this is the second case when object accelerates in downward direction. Now if object accelerates in upward direction. Third case, if object accelerates in upward direction. In upward direction. So in this condition also, again with friction and without friction. So first of all, with friction. So see, this is our inclined plane. This is our object of mass m. This is its normal force n, mg vertically downwards. This is angle theta, so it becomes mg cos theta, mg sin theta in downward direction. Object is accelerating in upward direction. Here there is a frictional force Fs. So in this condition, if object is accelerating in upward direction, so we are considering that this frictional force is greater than mg sin theta. So n is equal to mg cos theta. Balancing condition में क्या होगा बच्चों? n is equal to mg cos theta and Fs minus mg sin theta is equal to ma. So this is the relation. From here you can calculate value of acceleration again. And without friction की बच्चों अगर अपन बात करें, then without friction in presence of external force, let us say this is angle theta, this is an object of mass m, this is normal force n, mg vertically downwards, this is angle theta, so it is mg cos theta, this is mg sin theta. Now there is no friction, so let us consider that a force capital F is applied in upward direction and it is also accelerating vertically upwards. So in balancing condition n becomes equal to mg cos theta. In balancing condition n becomes equal to mg cos theta, and now accelerating in upward direction, so force F is greater than mg sin theta. So ma is equal to F minus mg sin theta. So these are two equations. By solving them, you can calculate either value of that force or normal force. Now see, इसी में एक और पैटर्न अपन बात कर लेते हैं. अगर ये फोर्स है आपका F, ये लगता है डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में. तो देखो, दिस इज नॉर्मल फोर्स, दिस इज mg, this is angle theta, so it is mg cos theta, and this is mg sin theta in downward direction. But it is accelerating in upward direction. It is considered. It means in this condition, n is equal to mg cos theta. Now see, F and mg sin theta both are acting in downward direction and it is accelerating in upward direction. So this acceleration will be negative here. So we can say that ma is equal to F plus mg sin theta. Both are in similar direction. So negative means this object will always move in downward direction. ये सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट हो गया बच्चों यहाँ पर. अब देखिए इसी पे एक क्वेश्चन अपन सोल्व करते हैं विद द वैल्यूज. विथ वैल्यूज अपन क्वेश्चन सोल्व करते हैं बच्चों. लेट अस से this is angle 53 degree, this is angle 37 degree. Two blocks are placed. This is of 2 kg mass and this is of 3 kg mass. थोड़ा सा लेवल बढ़ा देते हैं बच्चों क्वेश्चन का. यहाँ पर लेट अस से a pulley is fixed here. This is connected by a string this way. So these two objects are connected by a string with the help of a pulley as shown in diagram. Let us say it accelerates in downward direction. So we have to calculate tension in the string and acceleration of the system. So in your exam, you may be asked any one, either tension or acceleration. I'm going to explain you in detail that how to calculate such pattern of questions or how to solve such pattern of questions. So see, FBD of 2 kg block. So let us say it is weight mg. So m is 2 and g is 10. So it is 20 Newton in downward direction. This is normal force N. This is tension in the string T. Here again it is tension in the string T. See, let us make its components. This is angle of 53 degree. So it is 20 cos 53 and this is 20 sin 53. Similarly, FBD of 3 kg. So it is 3g means 30. This is its reaction normal. Let us say this is N1 and this is N2. Because both are different objects, so their normal reaction force will be different. Now see, this angle is 37 degree. So it is 30 cos 37 degree and this is 30 sin 37 degree. So this is the simple FBD of blocks of 2 kg and 3 kg mass. Now see, we have to calculate tension and acceleration. So this object is acceleration, this object is accelerating along the surface, So we will use simply components of force along the surface. So see, if this is accelerating downward direction, then it is also accelerating in upward direction. Now see, tension is greater than 20 sin 53. So T minus 20 sin 53 is equal to MA. So 2A. This is first equation. Similarly, from here, it is accelerating in downward direction. So 30 sin 37 minus T is equal to 3A. So first of all, replace T and calculate acceleration. So it is 30 sin 37 minus 20 sin 53 is equal to 5A. So see, values of 37 and 53. So I have discussed values of 37 and 53 degree in a video previously. Let us discuss it again. Let us say this is a right angle triangle. This is angle of 37 degree. This is 90 degree and this is your 53 degree. So you have to keep in mind this is 3, this is 4 and this is 5. So from here it is clear that sin 37 is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So 3 by 5. So sin 37 is 3 by 5. So 30 into 3 by 5 minus 20. Sin 53 is 4 by 5. So it is 20 into 4 by 5 is equal to 5A. So see, 6 into 3, 18 minus 16. So 18 minus 16, 2. 2 is equal to 5A. So A is equal to 0.4 meter per second square. So this is the acceleration of the system. It means block of mass 2 kg and 3 kg will accelerate by an acceleration of 0.4 meter per second square. Second thing, you have to calculate tension in the string. So place value of acceleration in any one equation, either in 1 or 2. So T is equal to 20 sin 53. So value of 20 sin 53 is 16 plus 2A. So 2 into A is 0.4. So 0.8. So tension is 16.8 Newton. 16.8 Newton. So this is the simple pattern of question which may be asked in your competitive section. Now let us discuss next pattern of question. Next pattern of question is Let us say this is an inclined plane of 53 degree. This is an object of 10 kg. Coefficient of friction between surface and this inclined plane is 0.4 and this object is accelerating. Let us say this is a force of 2 Newton and it is accelerating in downward direction. It is given in question. Then calculate value of acceleration. Calculate value of acceleration. So see, simple concept we have to use. This is normal reaction force N. This is mg. So 100. This is angle 53 degree. So 100 cos 53 and this is 100 sin 53. So see, in balancing condition, n is equal to 100 cos 53. So value of cos 53. So value of cos 53 is equal to sin 37 degree and we know that value of sin 37 degree is 4 by 5. So it is 100 into 4 by 5. So 80 Newton. Normal force is 80 Newton. Similarly, along the surface or along the inclination, it is accelerating downward direction. So 100 sin 53 minus, see, in upward direction there are two forces, one of 2 Newton and another one is frictional force. So it is minus 2 and plus Fs is equal to 10A. So now see, 100 sin 53 is 3 by 5 minus 2 plus Fs is equal to mu s n. So value of mu s is 0.4 and n is 80. So 80 into 0.4, 32 is equal to 10A. So see here, this value becomes 60. 60 minus 34. So 60 minus 34 is 26. So 26 is equal to 10A. So acceleration is 2.6 meter per second square. So this is the value of acceleration in this question. So simply I have discussed a variety of questions here with a concept and numerous concepts so that you can solve easily every type of question based on your NLM. Now see, next pattern of question. Next pattern is, let us say that this is any inclination theta. This is a block of mass m. This is a block of mass m and it is given that it is accelerating, block is accelerating in this direction with an acceleration a. So in this case, find its acceleration a. Find the acceleration of the block. So see, same concept. This is normal force. This is mg. Now see, in this condition we have to make components in plus x and y direction. So here we will use this concept. In previously, in all these patterns we were using the concept this way. This were inclined plane. So it is its normal component and it was its horizontal component. So we were considering like this and now we are considering this way, x-axis and y-axis. So in this condition, if we make its components, then this is x direction and this is y direction. So here also we consider the same concept. If our plane is inclined by an angle theta, then it means this angle is also theta. This normal is also inclined by an angle theta. So it is n cos theta. This component is n sin theta. Mg vertically downwards, it is accelerating in this direction. So we will not make any component in direction of A because there is no component. Now see, in balancing condition, n cos theta is equal to mg. N cos theta is equal to mg and here this acceleration is provided by n sin theta. So n sin theta is equal to ma. N sin theta is equal to ma. So see, tan theta is equal to a upon g, or you can say a is equal to g tan theta. So this is the value of acceleration. इंपॉर्टेंट रिजल्ट है बच्चों, ये डायरेक्टली आपको क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकता है यहाँ पर. सो आप ध्यान रखो कि इस तरीके से अगर कोई इंक्लाइंड प्लेन है और ये हॉरिजॉन्टली एसिलरेट कर रहा है तो आपका एसिलरेशन होगा ए इज इक्वल टू जी टेन थीटा. सो ये एक पैटर्न का क्वेश्चन बन गया बच्चों यहाँ पर. सो इस तरीके से आप चाहे कोई भी पैटर्न हो, कैसा भी आपको क्वेश्चन दे दिया जाए, आप इजीली उसको कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो. चलिए एक और पैटर्न देख लेते हैं अपन. So let us discuss one more pattern. This is a pulley. Here this is an object of mass 2 kg. This side there are two objects 3 kg, and this is another string and object of 5 kg. Clear? This whole system is accelerating. Then we have to calculate value of acceleration and tension in each string. So see, in this condition, let us make its FBD. I am making FBD here in diagram itself. For 2 kg, its weight is 2g, means 20. Tension in upward direction, let us say T1. Here its weight 3g, means 30 in downward direction. Tension T1 in upward direction. Tension in upward direction. Now second concept. So first of all, make its FBD. Let us say it is accelerating in upward direction with an acceleration a. So it is T1 minus 20 is equal to 2a. And here for second one, it is accelerating in upward direction. So see, 30. Now make it's also, it is 50. Now see, tension in the string. So for upward string, its tension is T2. This is weight 30. For downward, its tension is in upward direction T2, and this is its weight. So now see, in this condition, if the system is accelerating by an acceleration a, then first equation T1 minus 20 is equal to 2a. For this one, it is 30 plus T2 minus T1 is equal to 3a. For second one, it is 30 plus T2 minus T1 is equal to 3a. And for next, it is 50 minus T2 is equal to 5a. So we have got these three equations, and we can calculate value. Three equations, we are having three unknown quantities, acceleration T1, T2. So we can easily calculate their values. First of all, add all three equations. Add all three equations, then we will get value of acceleration. So its value is, see, 30 minus 20. So it is 10 plus 50, 60, and it is 2 plus 3 plus 5, 10. So 60 is equal to 10a. So a is equal to 6 meter per second square. A is equal to 6 meter per second square. Clear? And then tension T1 and T2 can be calculated. So T1 is equal to 2 into 6, 12, 12 plus 20. T1 is 32 Newton. So I calculated this value using equation number 1. So this is value of T1. T2 can be calculated by using equation number 3. So T2 is equal to 50 minus 5a. A is 6, so 30. So T2 is equal to 20 Newton. So this is the pattern which can be calculated by these simple concepts. सो बच्चों ये था आपका एनएलएम जो हमने यहाँ पर बड़े डिटेल में यहाँ पर डिस्कस किया है कि किस पैटर्न के यहाँ पर आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछे जा सकते हैं, किस पैटर्न के क्वेश्चंस बनते हैं. सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. इन आवर नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी विल स्टार्ट विथ वर्क, पावर एंड एनर्जी. सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग टुडेज वीडियो.